Now we're going to create a new Streched volume. To do so, we first need to create a pod. So go to Storage, Pod, and create a new pod. Once the pod is created, click on this new pod and add a new array to this pod. So this pod will be stretched between the two arrays. Wait for the second array to be online. You can now create a new volume within this pod. Here we're going to create a 2 TB volume. Once the volume is created, you can click on this volume so you will be able to assign it to the host group. Click on Connect, select the host group and specify the LAN. Here we specified LAN 1. Once this is done, repeat the same operation to attach the volume on the host group on the second array. The volume already exists on the array. Again, use LAN number 1. We are now ready to create the new storage repository on the XCP cluster.